Yes.
Grease is from my youth as well, though.
I'm in misery. Look at the little black boy up there. Oh. I love that he made it all the way onto the mantelpiece. I'm going to have to take that vase down. Did you jump or did you fall?
A bit of both.
They're really brave, these kittens. They're actually noticeably braver and more exploratory than my the purebred British Shorthairs. Look at Bunty. Is she going to make it? Go, Bunty! You can do it! Look at a little black one up there cleaning himself. Yay, Bunty! Brave kitty! And Sunny supervising. Yeah. Sunny just loves to supervise the kittens. It'll be your turn one day, Sunny. Now you know how to do it. This is how to be a mother. You just lie there and supervise, girl. Woo! Nice one! They make me laugh. All alone, I sit and wonder why you left me, oh Sandy. There's nothing like a parent and a bunch of kittens, isn't there? Go, Bunty!
That little black girl down there? Yeah.
I think the problem with the black kittens in real life, they're absolutely adorable, but they don't film well. This is actually the reason that currently black dogs and black puppies are really unpopular. You advertise anywhere the rare red colour, the rarest colour in a puppy at the moment is black. Nobody's breeding black puppies because nobody wants black puppies, and I think it's because of all the people want to take pictures and send pictures, and black puppies and kittens just don't photograph very well. In real life, this is the most adorable kitten. But because the eyes don't show up as well against the black, they just don't take as good a picture. And, you know, people want to spend a lot of time putting pictures on Instagram and WhatsApp and messaging and, do you know what I mean? Taking pictures of your animal and posting them is a big part of what people do.
Yeah.
They want to share how beautiful their animal is, and the black ones just don't show well up well on film. It's a shame, because this is the cutest kitten. This little black one, and look at all the white hairs on his legs. He's so adventurous. Okay, bye-bye, little kitty.